friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you a super easy xiaolongbao recipe. Xiaolongbao are also known as soup dumplings, as they are essentially small buns filled with meat and hot soup. They are extremely juicy, savory, and quite special. Without further ado, let's get started. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, let's make the dough. Mix the flour, salt, oil, and water together to form a soft dough, and let it rest for at least 1 hour to form the gluten strands. The oil will make the xiaolongbao skin tender and smooth. Now let's make the pork filling. You can also substitute with beef or lamb or seafood. All the spices are listed on the screen and in the description box. Traditionally, the soup inside xiaolongbao is created by wrapping solid meat jelly, usually made from pork skin, and the heat from steaming will melt the jelly into soup. However, this recipe is meant to be super easy and also tasty, so here I'm using chicken broth. Add the chicken broth into the meat filling. Keep stirring until all the chicken broth is absorbed. Put the filling in the refrigerator for later use. I found the most challenging part of making xiaolongbao is how to make the skin super thin, like almost translucent. An easy solution is to use a pasta maker. This is a very useful kitchen appliance for making noodles, wonton skins, etc. I highly recommend investing in one. If you live in the US, you can always find one for about $20 in TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It really makes cooking so much easier. The size of the wrapper is about 12 centimeters or 4.5 inches in diameter. Make sure to dust some flour to prevent sticking. It's time to wrap the soup dumplings. Place 1 tablespoon of the filling in the center of the wrapper. Pick up one spot. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. Keep repeating this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. If you're new to this, make sure to seal the seam so the soup will be locked in. The amount of ingredients I used here can make 18 soup dumplings, and each wrapper weighs about 10 grams. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Steam the soup dumplings for about 10 minutes, using medium to high heat. Voila! Oh my goodness! The skin is soft and very thin. The soup dumplings will shrink once the cold air touches the skin. Let's pick one up. I know this is what you've been waiting for! Wow! Juicy, juicy! Wow! Okay, let's pick up another one. Another one! Oh my god, you see the soup jiggling inside? Nyam nyam nyam! Obviously, I'm super excited to eat it. Now let me show you how to eat it. Because xiaolongbao is filled with only meat, dipping them into black vinegar will make you feel less fatty. Take a tiny bite out of the skin. Slurp the soup out. Dip it into the black vinegar gently. And finish the whole thing off in one bite. It's so good. Trust me, it's amazing. Try it at home and let me know how you like it. Incredible. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.